Hello friends, welcome back to Statisticians Hub. Today we will explore Boxplot in R. In this video, I shall discuss theory of Boxplot and how to draw multiple Boxplot in R. I am Joy and let's get started. A Boxplot, also known as a box and whisker plot. Why it is called whisker plot? Because the boxes may have lines extending vertically, which is called whiskers. That's why it is called whisker plot. It is used for a graphical representation of the distribution of a dataset. It provides a visual summary of the key characteristic of the data, such as the median, quartile, and potential outliers. Let's understand the box plot. This is the diagram of box plot. This line represents the minimum value and it is called whisker, and this line represents maximum value. This line means the first quartile or Q1, and this line is third quartile, that is Q3, and this line is called median value. Let's understand how to interpret box plot. Now let's see how to interpret the box plot. If the median is at the center of the box and the whiskers are almost the same on both the ends, then the data is normally distributed. If the median lies closer to the first quartile and if the whisker at the lower end is shorter, then it has a positive skew, or we can say that it is a right skewed. If the median lies closer to the third quartile and if the whisker at the upper end is shorter, then it has a negative skew or left skewed. Let's move to the R Studio and see how to draw box plot in R. For every statistical test, first we need dataset. So the code begins by reading CSV file. The dataset includes 6 machine learning models along with their predicted accuracies. So in this part, we read CSV file using read.csv function and examine the structure of our data frame using this command. This helps us to understand the columns and data types we are working with. Let's run these commands. See, this is our data structure. We then install reshape2 library using install.packages and load the library and reshape our data frame using meld function. This is a common step when preparing for visualization, transforming it from wide to long format. Let's run this command. Now we load the powerful ggplot2 library and use it to create boxplot. First, we write ggplot for initialize the object. Next, we define aesthetic mapping x equal to variable, which means that the axis to variable column in the data, and y equal to value, which means that the y-axis to value column in the data, and field equal to variable specify that The color of the boxes in the box plot will be based on the variable column. Next, we add boxplot layer to the ggplot object using this command, which means that the type of plot we want to create is a box plot. Let's select this command and run it. Now we label x-axis and y-axis using these commands. Now boxplot appears. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Statisticians Hub for more statistical insights. Thank you.